Good evening, and very good evening. How are you guys? Well, I just finished shooting with ZFC, and I was shooting in one of the dockyards, and I was shooting with 12-24 f4, which is for the F mount, because I was just needing something wider. The kit lens comes with this ZFC. It's 1650, and it's with variable aperture 3.5 to 6.3. So I thought, okay, let's try 12-24 f4, which is constant aperture, and it's going to be wide enough and give me much more light. So I not only used that lens, but I also used 200 to 500. Oh man, that lens on this camera was awesome, like really awesome, and I really enjoyed the autofocus system with adapter. I was not expecting that 200 to 500 is basically a slow lens when it comes to acquiring autofocus. It's not that fast. Even with D500, it takes time. But I was surprised that it was behaving more or less nearly equal with ZFC using FTC adapter. So it was like, okay, that's impressive. And I didn't have to update the adapter because the adapter was already updated. And so I was shooting handheld with VR and the lens, and I got some really stunning shots, both wide angle and with this. The funny thing, I was shooting birds as well, and I came across a dog, a stray dog, and I enabled the animal eye to autofocus, and it detects the eye of the dog, and I have some really nice shots. So both eye autofocus, human eye autofocus, everything works flawlessly. I have zero issue when it comes to autofocus. This machine, ZFC, is really far from my expectation. I was not expecting that this machine is going to be this much good when it comes to autofocus. And it is, and it's worth every bit of it. So I highly recommend you guys to go for this machine. And see, even I'm recording this vlog for you guys from ZFC. Of course my voice is like this, but that's okay. But even it's dark and I'm shooting at 4000 ISO, and it works perfectly fine. And ISO is auto, so autofocus works perfectly, nothing to worry about. And I'm glad that thanks to Nikon Middle East, who gave me this camera an opportunity to play with, and I'm able to experience this machine. And for sure I would love to go with this because it's under $1,000, and the body only with the kit lens, it's going to be somewhere around $11.99. But I would love to go for a body because I love the retro style. And even the exposure compensation dial was worked flawlessly, and I was shooting handheld some birds, and it was kind of overexposed. So I tried, okay, let me try to underexpose and see if I can get the shot. And I got the shot. I got the shot. So it was a really nice experience shooting with this camera using FTC adapter with both wide angle and telephoto lenses. So that's it. I'm going to wrap up this video with this recommendation that for traveling light, recording something very lightweight, recording vlogs on the go, this is the camera, and from Nikon, and I cannot recommend more. I mean, I highly recommend this camera for you guys. Till next time, with some new gears, I'll catch you guys soon. Take care. Ciao.